All right, so let's take a look at some of the numerical data that we can get off of this bar graph for Pets and Joy's Pet Shop. So going down to 4 through 13, we're going to have to look at some of the numeric pieces of this. So if we're looking at just the counts, remember if the y-axis already tells us how many there are, we just have to kind of look at the heights of the bars to know. So for dogs, you can see that there's 10, right? Because it goes there. For rabbits, you can see that there's 8 because the height of the bar. Here, you're in between a little bit, 18 and 20, which means that this height is 19. Okay, same with parrots, you're in between. So between 4 and 6 is 5. And then the bar hits at 16 for cats. So knowing those numbers are going to be very helpful then for answering the rest of the questions, right? How many cats are there? Well, you already saw that at the top, 16, right? How many fish? Saw that at the top, that kind of stuff. The other questions that are further down the line make you think a little bit and do a little bit more math, right? So how many total animals? Talking about number 6. Well, just add up all your animals here, get the total. Once you know all your individual things. When you look further down, like number 9, we have some combinations here and some language about the differences. So if I'm looking at number 9 here, it says how many fewer fish are there than cats and dogs combined? Well, let's figure out these numbers, right? Fish are 19. You can see that. And cats and dogs combined, right? If I'm going to combine cats and dogs, cats is 16 plus the dogs, which is 10. That's a total of 26. So how many fewer fish are there? Well, we have to get the difference, right? So then if I'm looking at fish being fewer than cats and dogs, I'm going to take 26, subtract that by 19, and get your answer, which is 7. And you can plug that in. When you put your answers into the answer key for formative, make sure you don't add a space. Just leave the number just like that, and then go to the next one. Okay? Continue on. Keep looking at these. See what you got. See what the question's asking. If I'm talking about number 12, someone bought 5 dogs. That means that those 5 dogs are taken away. So how many dogs do I have left if I started with 10? Right? And then who also has that number, which other pet? So think about that as you go through, and the answer should check as you answer. If the answer shows up as wrong from 4 through 13, then go back and try again. See if you can find the correct number, and keep at it until we get to class on Friday.